हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू हिमाचल सिंप्लीफाइड। आज 8 अगस्त 2021 को HPSSC की तरफ से एक एग्ज़ाम हुआ है जूनियर क्लर्क इलेक्ट्रिकल का, पोस्ट कोड 829। तो उसी की हम आंसर की अब डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। ध्यान से देखिए और चेक करिए अपने मार्क्स। थैंक यू। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अ थ्री फेज लोड इज सेड टू बी अ बैलेंस्ड लोड इफ ऑल द थ्री फेजेस हैव सेम। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, बोथ ए एंड बी। Second is the maximum permissible operating temperature of class E insulating material is, so it will be 120 degrees, that is option C. Third question, the EMF induced in the secondary winding of a 50 hertz single phase transformer having 1000 turns on its secondary is 222 volts. The maximum flux density in the core is 0.1. The cross sectional area of the core is, so it will be 0.01 meter square. Option B will be correct for this. Fourth question, a transformer when supplying a load maintained 11 kV across load terminals. When the load was switched off, the terminal voltage became 11550 volts. What is the voltage regulation at this load? So it will be 5%. Option C will be correct. Next, the slip of 400 volts 3-phase 4-pole induction motor when rotating at 1440 RPM is, so it will be, I have a doubt in this question. If you know the answer, you can tell me in the comment section. Next, sixth, the phenomenon of squirrel cage motor sometimes showing a tendency to run. The fifth question answer can be 4%. If you know it right, then comment below. The phenomenon of squirrel cage motor sometimes showing a tendency to run at a very low speed is known as crawling. Option B will be correct. Seventh, the speed of revolving field for a 50 Hz 8-pole machine will be 750 RPM. D option will be correct. Eighth, the speed regulation of a synchronous motor is 0. Option B will be correct. Ninth, armature reaction is an electrical machine. In an electric machine is the effect of, so it will be option A, armature flux on the main field flux. Next question, in a single phase repulsion motor, torque is developed on the motor when brush axis is fixed at an acute angle with the stator field axis. Option B will be correct. 12th, which motor is used for blowers? So it is squirrel cage motor. Option D will be correct. 13th, a solid angle is expressed in terms of steradians. Option D will be correct. 14th, the direct heating method, maximum heat transfer takes place by radiation. Option C will be right. 15th, chemical equivalent of a substance is defined as atomic weight divided by valency. Option B will be correct. 16th, ammonia is preferred as a refrigerant in large commercial installations because it is relatively very cheap. So option A will be correct. 17th, the direct current system employed for tramways operates on 750 volts. Option C will be correct. 18th question, an energy meter utilizes which damping? So it is eddy currents. Option B will be correct. 20th, the speed error of the energy meter is corrected by adjusting the position of which magnet? So it is a brake magnet. Option C will be correct. 21st, a synchronoscope is used to dash an alternator with bus bar. So it will be none of the above options. Option D will be correct for this. 22nd, photovoltaic cell is a displacement transducer. So option B will be correct for this question. Next, heat sinks are used in power amplifier circuits to increase the collector dissipation rating of the transistor. Option D will be right. 24th, the most essential condition for parallel operation of two one-phase transformers is that they should have the same polarity. Option C will be correct. 25th, the principle of dynamically induced EMF is utilized in generator. Option C is going to be correct here. 26th, I'll not read the question, it is too long. The right answer for this will be option D, 200 volts. Next, 27th, a 10-pole 25 Hz alternator is directly coupled to and is driven by 60 Hz synchronous motor. What is the number of poles for the synchronous motor? So it will be 24. Option C will be correct for this question. Moving on to the next one, the rotor of a stepper motor has all of these. Option D will be correct for this. 30th, which of the following starting methods cannot be used for starting a 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor? So it will be option C, rotor resistance. 31st, linear induction motor is used in traction. Option A is going to be correct. 32nd, The value of capacitor for a capacitor start IM is determined by starting torque. Option C will be correct here. Third, a solar cell is a which transducer? So it is a photovoltaic. That means option A will be correct for this. Next is the value of load factor should be lesser than 1. So I think out of these questions 0.5, that is option C will be correct, because it should be less than 1. 35th, the load factor can be improved by which of the following? So it can be improved by either option A or option D. Out of these two, any one is going to be correct. 36th, which of the following is the characteristic of amorphous core transformer? So it is option D, all of these. 38th, which of the following methods can be used for power factor improvement? So it can be option B, installations of capacitors. 39th, an AC voltage can be converted into a unidirectional voltage by using a rectifier circuit. Option B will be correct. 40th, an ideal current source is one whose internal resistance is infinite. Option D is correct. 41st, avalanche breakdown in a semiconductor diode occurs when reverse bias exceeds a certain value. That is option B will be correct. 42nd, the input and output signals of a common emitter amplifier are out of phase. Option B will be correct. 43rd, in an amplifier the coupled capacitors are used to prevent DC missing with input or output. Option D will be correct. 44th, one of the effects of negative feedback in amplifiers is to decrease the harmonic distortion. Option D will be right. Then 46th question, I am leaving a few questions which I have a doubt. 46 is, to generate 1 megahertz signal the most suitable circuit is option C, Colpitt's oscillator will be correct. 47th, the attenuator is a signal generator is used to option D, vary the output voltage amplitude in sub steps. This will be correct. Then 48th, a gate is enabled with when its enabled input is at logic 1. The gate is NAND. Option B will be correct here. 49, the maximum number of 3 input gate in a 16 pin 1C will be 3. Option B will be right. 50th, HTL is a modified form of DTL. Option D is correct here. 51st, the radix of hexadecimal number system is 16. Option D is right. 52nd, the octal equivalent of the binary number 11010111 is 327. Option B is right here. Next, 53rd, universal register is capable of all the above. This will be right. Option D will be right. 54th, a ring counter consists of 5 flip-flops will have 5 states. Option A will be correct. Then 56th, a memory in which the contents get erased when power failure occurs is RAM. First option. 59th, let's see the question number 59th. Out of the following, which one is not unconventional source of energy? So it is nuclear energy. Option C will be correct. 60th, cost of operation of which plant is least? So it will be hydroelectric power plant. Option D. A Francis turbine is inward flow reaction turbine. Option A will be correct. 62nd, load factor during a period is average load divided by maximum load. Option B will be correct. 63rd, identify the incorrect relation. So option D will be the right answer here. That is the incorrect relation. That means 64th, a diesel power plant is best suited as peak load plant. Option C will be correct. 65th, in overload transmission lines, the effect of capacitance can be neglected when length of the line is less than 80 km. Option D will be right. 66th, presence of ozone as a result of corona is harmful because it corrodes the material. Option B is right. ACSR conductor implies aluminium conductor steel reinforced. Option B will be right. Then 68th, 10 discs usually suggest that the transmission line voltage is 132 kV. Option D will be right. 69th, isolators are used to disconnect the circuit when there is no current in the line. Option D will be correct. 70th, the sag of the conductors of the transmission line in 1.5 meter when the span is 100 meter. Now if the height of the supporting towers is increased by 20%, the sag will remain unchanged. Option D will be correct. Dielectric hysteresis loss in a cable varies as voltage square. Option B will be correct. SF6 gas, it is sulfur hexafluoride. Option D. Then which of the following contact point metals has the highest melting point? It is tungsten, option B. Then 74, the basic function of a circuit breaker is to extinguish the arc. It is option D. Then 75th, unit of solid angle is radian, option C is correct here. 76, which locomotive has the highest operational availability? So it is electric, option B. 77th, in gas welding the gases used are helium and carbon dioxide, option C is correct. 79th, flux used in TIG welding is none of these, option D is correct. 80th, which method is appropriate for heating non-ferrous metals? It is indirect arc heating, option C is correct. Next, 81st, piezoelectric materials serve as a source of ultrasonic waves, option B will be correct. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin, option D will be correct. 83rd, the unit of retentivity is, it is Weber per meter square, option D is correct here. 84th, which of the following is a diamagnetic substance? It is zinc, option A is correct. 85th, earth tester is a type of meter, ammeter, option C is correct here. 86th, which of the following properties of a refrigerant is undesirable? So it is option C, high boiling point. 87th, if D is the distance of a surface from a source, the illumination upon the surface will vary as, option D, 1 upon D square will be correct. 88th, a MERS price protection is suitable for alternators, option B will be correct. तो इस चैनल पर आपको इस तरह की आंसर की जो होती है वो सबसे पहले मिलती रहती हैं, इसलिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, साथ में लाइक बटन भी दबा दीजिएगा ताकि मेरी कुछ मोटिवेशन हो जाए, मुझे कुछ. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट है टोटल नंबर ऑफ म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन इन हिमाचल इज, इनमें से कोई नहीं, ऑप्शन डी विल बी करेक्ट. 90th, सेक्स रेशियो ऑफ HP एज पर सेंसस 2011 इज, it is actually 974, but it is not given in the options, so I think you will be getting a grace mark for this question. Then 91st is Mahamaya Bala Sundari temple is located in which district of HP? So it is in Sirmaur, option C. 92nd, Guma and Drang salt mines are located in which district of HP? It is in Mandi district, option D. The 93rd, Shobha Singh Art Gallery is located in which place of HP? It is in Andreta, option D. 94th, Mani Mahesh Fair is celebrated in which subdivision of HP? It is in Bharmor, option B. And then 95th, Lama Lake is located in which district? It is in Chamba. 96th, Dehar is a tributary of which river of HP? It is of Satluj, option A. 97th, first recipient of Parshuram Award in HP was Suman Rawat, B option. 98th, which of the following district of HP has largest apple production? It is Shimla. 99th, Guler state was founded by Harichand, option A is right. 100th question, at which session of the All India States People Conference the Shimla Hill States Himalayan Riyasati Praja Mandal was formed? It was formed in Ludhiana session, option B will be correct. 101, HP Compulsory Primary Education Act was enacted in the year 1953. And then when did Dr. Y.S. Parmar become the Chief Minister? He became, इनमें से कोई नहीं, option D will be correct over here. And then next, Travels in the Himachal Province of Hindustan book is written by William Moorcraft, option A will be correct. So thank you so much for joining me in the video. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.